kajing duai shua ban pule ya kaktian ublay. Kublay ba isin ay tu pensele yang da umen sim bakhut jongmi katba ngadang pule ya kaktian ka jongmi ai bangan yo sngo ya kasur jongmi ka ba pasyao ha ka men sim jonga ai yang ka jing start jing shamphang ban sngo thu ya ka khubor ba me ai yang ai ba kaktian ka jongmi kanlong ka jingkmen ya ka do nuot jonga bat ka syarak ya ki kejat jonga ai yang kabor bantai ya ka jingem jonga halor kaktian jongmi tu ai baki ai baro kinlong hanga katkum kaktian jongmi penkemen yang haba ngayo sngo ya kaktian jongmi bat bangan ri kendong yaka keren kutrai nga usyakri jongmi ngasngap publay shibun jisu yaro yami jisu kajing puli naka gospel bakut katkum Matius kalenong kabasaw kadkhot kabakhat phra ter lu kaba apuar katba ujisu udang yad harut kaduriau Galilea ulayo I arngut sipara usiman ya ubala Saint Petrus bat upara jemu u Andreas bakia beratjar ha kaduriau na bakila long kinong tong dokha ujisu ulaong haki ale bat ngan penlong yapi kinong tong beriu markom ta kila no yala kijar bat kila but ya u ulalet kham sakmat bat ulayo I saya kiwei pat arngut sipara u Jacob bat u Yohanes kikhun u Zebedi kila ya don hakalieng bat ukpa jungki u Zebedi ban penbet ya kijar ujisu ulakhot yaki markom ta kila no ya kalieng bat yala ukpa bat kila but ya ujisu ka gospel jong utrai
As Jesus was walking beside the Sea of Galilee, he saw two brothers, Simon called Peter and his brother Andrew. They were casting a net into the lake, for they were fishermen.
Come follow me,
Ale bat nga.
Jesus said,
and I will make you
Bat nan
fishers of
pelong ya
men.
pi kinong tong priu.
At once
Mar
they
kumta
left
kila
their
ino ya
nets
kijar
and
bekila
followed him.
bot ya u. Ulale kan
Going
termat
on
batu
from there,
lagi
he
saya
saw
kiwi
two
pat
other
ar lok si
brothers,
para.
James,
Ujako
son
patu
of
Yohanes
Zebedee,
ki kun
and his brother
Zebedi.
John.
Kelaya don
They were in the
hangalin
boat
bat
with
pa
their
jongki
father
u Zebedi
Zebedee, preparing
banten
their
ben ya
nets.
kijar. Jisulah
Jesus
khot ya
called
ki.
And
Mar kumta kila
immediately
ino ya
they
kalin
left
bat ya
the
rau
boat
kupa.
and their father and
Bat
followed
kila
him.
bot ya jisu.
Kajing yaro